In this lecture, you will learn how to find out the top performing keywords of your site. Most of you should have already known that this is my website inspiraron.com, and it's mainly based on portfolio of my online courses. But I have also some content on WordPress tutorials and computer hardware news reviews which are published just to demonstrate you this SEO course. Now let's enter into the core part of this lecture, Search Console, which is also called as Google Webmaster Tools. You need to enter into Google Webmaster Tools and select your website. Then you will be taken to the dashboard of your website. You need to go to Search Traffic and then Search Analytics. This will take you to a list of keywords or queries which people use or search on Google to reach your website. Recently, I am not concentrating on computer hardware topics. So, let me change the date range between February to March. Well, the dates are changed and I have selected clicks, impressions, and position. Overall, in this test website, I have got 818 clicks from February to March with 18,000 impressions, and the average position or ranking is 20. Now, these are the top keywords of my website in this date range. I might have targeted several other keywords in my website, but these are the keywords that are getting the most click through rate. It also means that these are the keywords that have higher search relevancy to the pages or articles that are present on my site. Instead, if you want to find out the keyword in which you already rank in the first page of Google, you need to click on position, which also means ranking. Now, these are all the keywords for which I rank in the first position on Google search. So, up to my 10th positioned keyword, if I write an article or blog post on them, then I will straight away reach the first page of Google. But these keywords are not only from the web traffic, they are also from image traffic. So, you can filter out the web traffic alone by going to search type, filter by search type, and then web. If you want to see the image traffic, then click image. So, these are all the keywords for which my website ranks on Google Images and not on Google Search. To view the web search, I should select search type as web. These are all the keywords that are entirely related to web traffic alone, that is, neglecting the image or videos or shopping, etc. Now, assume that I want to know what are all the posts that rank better or that get the most traffic for this particular keyword, that is, AMD Polaris release date. So, I need to select or click on this AMD Polaris release date keyword. Let me select pages. 47 people have visited this page of my website searching for AMD Polaris release date keyword. So, indirectly, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. These 4 pages of my website itself are competing against each other for the same keyword AMD Polaris release date. If you want to see in which countries I ranked number 1 for this keyword, I should select countries as a filter and I should click on position. So, this is how you can interpret the results of Google Search Console. You can also sort or filter on basis of devices. Let me tell you how you can read these results for the keyword AMD Polaris release date. My website ranks at an average of 11th position in desktop, whereas at 15th position on tablets. This top performing keywords data is not just a data to feel proud of. Actually, you can make use of them and implement a few changes on your site. For example, I might have optimized my previous articles or news for the keyword AMD graphic cards. But my actual top ranking keyword might be best budget AMD graphic card. In that case, I should go back to my article and add a few paragraphs related to this new top ranking keyword, or optimize my page for this new keyword. If three or more pages on your site compete among themselves for the same keyword, like you saw mine a few minutes back, then consolidate the information on all those pages and publish the consolidated information in any one of that competing page. Then make a 301 redirect from other pages to this new consolidated page. If those other pages are important in some way that you want them not to be redirected, then add a canonical tag targeting the URL of the new consolidated page in those other pages. I shall add an external link to this lecture to know more about canonical tags. Don't forget to go through that. Likewise, you can make changes in your websites based on the observations that you can see in Search Console's top ranking keywords information.